Happy Halloween! I'm Hungermama and I'm here to create some spooky snacks for you with TouchNote. These are pumpkin pancakes. First, you're going to need some pumpkin puree. You can get some like this in the grocery store in a can, or you can roast the flesh of your own pumpkin in the oven. Then we're going to mix together all of the dry ingredients. Then mix up your wet ingredients. Then mix your dry ingredients into the wet, and you're ready to go. Ladle some of the batter into your pan, wait for bubbles to form on top, then flip it over, let that cook, and you're golden. Once you've got a nice tall stack of pancakes, decorate the top with a spider's web made of icing or chocolate. And for a nice spooky flourish, pop a spider on top. Boo! Download the TouchNote app to send these recipe cards to yourself or someone else.